In this video, we're going to go over our most recent TMS updates. We're going to start out with a quick cross-reference view in regards to the settlements being able to be seen, edited, deleted, downloaded, and sent via email directly from the user staff profile, as you can see. So you won't be limited to viewing and accessing from the settlements history list, but you can also see the cross-reference tab here under that profile itself. Next change will hopefully save a bit of time for those still manually entering some addresses. We will now be able to access Trimble's database within this search when adding locations for our shipper, consignee, and stops as well. So we are going to be pulling from Trimble's database based off of any matches. You're going to need to input at least 5 characters here. If it is linked to a potential existing location, you are going to see those showing up at the top with an ID here to the left of that location that you already have saved. Otherwise, it's going to say Trimble, and you will be able to then input those accordingly. If there's any missing information like a name, you'll be able to get an intermediate pop-up here to make any last-minute changes. Otherwise, it will then save that location there for you and then input the address there accordingly. Again, shipper, consignee, as well as then stops, you will have this new search ability to add directly from the Trimble database. Next change is going to be in relation to allowing for beta access for an AI-powered report. So this is going to be called a smart report. We are going to be providing some default options here. So we can select from a preset prompt. We'll give it here a few seconds to then load our response, as well as then show any key trends analysis summary of the breakdown as well. And there will be a option to download the CSV file to that data set that was then used to generate this response, so we can do some additional double checking, confirmation, and view the data accordingly as well. So we're going to be able to also input our own prompts, obviously using natural language. So we'll do top 10 drivers by total mileage in 2025. So again, we always want to be as clear, direct, and concrete in terms of the information that we want to get back, whether it's narrowing down that specific KPI, how that is to be calculated, as well as making sure that we have a selected time frame as well. So we are going to get our response again as well, see then an option to download the CSV, and then view any analysis key points there based off of our request. This will again be in beta testing for now, so please reach out to us directly if you would like to get access. We can set up a separate session in order to go over some ways to structure prompts with you, as well as then collect feedback, as we are going to be continuously fine-tuning this process as well. So hopefully this will give you a little bit more easier access, again, to the data points that you already have within your TMS. So this report will be acting as an analyst for your business. Last update that we have in regards to this release will be an additional layer here under our accounting to add direct images as well as text notices to the invoices for direct bill customers. So you will be able to add them here at the top of the invoice PDF. Again, the direct image will be an image itself at the top of the invoice, and if you need to add specific text, you will be able to input that here. Again, same process as with the factoring image, just that additional layer to differentiate. So for example, if you have some instructions for payment like quick pay that you wanted to add for any direct bill customers, you will be able to do so here accordingly. As always, let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.